Hi, let's talk about image recognition and image find feature in Rapise. This feature is not built-in part of Rapise, but it's available as a downloadable extension, and there is a knowledge base article describing that. So what I just did, I downloaded an attachment and unpacked it according to instruction available in this article. So I have all required files unzipped to this folder. So now I can start using ImageFinder. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm starting Rapise. Creating a new test. Make it local. Trying Finder, for example. Let it be cross-browser because I'm going to work with Google Maps. Let's use Firefox. Let's use JavaScript because the article describes everything in JavaScript, although we can do the same with our web. So first I'm going to record something, and then I'm going to apply image finding features to it. So I'm starting recording. Firefox opens. I'm going to find something related to the map. Could go course in Casablanca. I'm hitting enter. You may see that text entry is recorded, but hit enter is not here, is not recorded. I'm going to fix that in my script. And now I have a map, and I'm going to do image find on this map to see to find those food courts. So for now I'm going to use a walk-around approach. I need to get this image to extract a findable piece from it, and so I'm going to use verify feature. Click on this map piece and click on bitmap. So this bitmap will be saved with my test. So I'm going to press finish and look at what I have. So the search part and the assertion that compares image. Actually this assertion is not what I need, but as a part of this assertion a checkpoint image is saved, and it contains the whole map. I'm going to extract the findable piece from it. I'm using Reveal and Explore and then Edit. I have standard paint. Now I'm selecting findable piece. The logic on how and recommendations on how to get good findable piece is available in the article. So I'm just taking it and using crop. Oh no, it was resized, sorry. Again, select a fork and knife. Now crop and save. It's now it was opened with Rapise. So let me save it as image fragment. Okay, so I have a fragment image. Now going back to my test, I'm taking includable part from the article. This is what I need to include somewhere. I may do it here in the test function, or if I'm going to use this feature across the test, I need to include it in command place. So this is a functions file, which is actually testname.user.js file. So this functionality will become available everywhere. What I should avoid to do, I should not include it here, because this will be this place will be vanished on the next record. Next, what I need is, as I remember, it didn't record me hitting enter key. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do missing action with Rapise. So there is a do send keys, and there is enter key. So now it will start the search, and finally I don't need this assertion. I don't want to match the whole image. These maps are changing rapidly, so I only want to find food courts, and I have a piece of code for that available in the same knowledge base article, so I'm using it and placing it here. It uses object ID, and I have it here because the verify uses some object for verification, and the path. Path is not checkpoint. I'm going to use this statement, but change the file name because it's not checkpoint but something else. It is fragment. And now I can see this checkpoint here but not fragment, so I can add file here, go to this place and change all files and choose it. So it's included in the test for the case I want to look at it. And if I save it to Spyro, it will be saved with the test. That's why I'm including it. Okay, I can leave this checkpoint for future reference to see how it was looking before. So I don't need this assertion anymore. And since sometimes there are many items on the map, if you see some big city and all restaurants in it, in our case there are just few food courts, so it's easy to make exact count. So we do assert equal, let's say 3. They're expected to be 3 food courts. And now I may just, for example, close Firefox and play it again. It opens, enter, navigate by pressing enter key, and do comparison, and the test passed. Okay, one more feature that's useful here. I would like to see actually which items were found, and this is an easy piece. There is a last optional parameter that I may use. It's a parameter to do find object. So I can pass through. This means including wrapper. So if I do the same now, launch the same test. So it navigates, finds the page. I may see additional entry, and all found items are marked. Actually, they are surrounded with a red rectangle, and they have this score, the quality of the match. Sometimes we use threshold to grab items that have some slight difference compared to the source image. Such ImageFinder allows specifying thresholds, specifying scales to match with different scale. But this video is about how to quickly and easily find something on the screen. One more thing that I may do now is I may click on the ImageFinder and the wallet. So for example, I may want to click on the first food court. For this I don't need any parameters. So it will find it and click on it. And again, Go to Google, do search, and you see the result of the click now. Yummy food crop is selected. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.